Bottle Top Bill and his best friend Corky up on the hill. Let's watch them as they play, playing all day. Hooray!
The Adventures of Bottle Top Bill
and his best friend Corky.
What a perfect day, Corky.
It's a perfect day for an adventure, Bill.
You're right there.
And what's today's adventure, Bill?
Today's adventure's called the Air Show.
Isn't it great living in the countryside?
You bet it is, Corky. I just love the green fields and trees.
And I love the colourful flowers.
But you know what the best thing about the countryside is, Corky?
What's that, Bill?
It's so quiet and peaceful.
Right again.
What's that?
It's coming from up there.
What do you think it is, Corky?
I'm not sure, Bill.
It's definitely not a bird.
And it's definitely not a cloud.
I think I know.
So do I.
It's an aeroplane.
And it's coming this way.
Duck! What's he think he's doing?
I hope he's not in trouble.
He doesn't look in trouble to me, Corky.
Then why is it flying like that?
If you ask me, I think he's just a big show-off. Now what?
It looks like someone else is coming this way.
It's neighbour Ned.
He looks in a hurry.
A big hurry.
Look out, Bill and Corky! I'm in a big hurry!
Hold on a minute, Ned.
Where are you going?
Haven't you heard?
Heard what?
There's a big air show down at the fun fair!
An air show?
And there'll be a world record parachute jump!
Wow!
And I don't want to miss it! Gotta go! See you!
Bye, Ned!
That explains that plane before, Bill. It must have been practicing for the show.
Right, Corky.
An air show sounds exciting. We should go.
I'm with you, Corky.
And there's only one way to get to an air show, right?
Right, Corky.
We'll go by air ourselves. Ready, Bill?
Let her rip, Corky.
We'll be there in no time at all.
I can hardly wait.
Any sign of the fun fair, Bill?
Should be coming up any second now.
I think I see it now.
That's it, all right. We are going to have so much fun.
Stand by to land, Bill.
Standing by, Corky.
Whoa!
Ah!
Sorry about the rough landing, Bill.
Not to worry. Let's take a look at what's here.
I see a candy floss stall.
And there's Mrs. Whistlehead's cake stall.
And just look at all those visitors. All we have to do now is find where all the planes are.
I see them, Corky. Look over there.
Don't they look great?
And look, there's even a hot air balloon.
What do they use the balloon for?
I think they'll use it for the parachute jump. We can't wait to see it.
But look, Bill, the balloon's tied to the ground by ropes.
So it is.
I wonder why that is.
There's your answer, Corky. The balloon has to be tied down or the wind would blow it away.
It might blow us away too if we don't move.
Right, let's see what else we can find.
Those cakes on Mrs. Whistlehead's stall look very tasty.
Ah! My lovely hat! Come back!
Timmy's trying to catch Mrs. Whistlehead's hat.
Mrs. Whistlehead's hat's doing a loop-the-loop.
Good catch, Timmy.
The wind's really blowing the balloon about, Bill.
Don't worry, Corky. Those ropes will keep it safe.
The ropes might keep it safe from the wind, but will they keep it safe from creatures?
What creatures?
Rabbit creatures.
He's only eating some grass, Corky.
But look where he's eating it.
Oh no!
He's going to eat through the rope.
We have to stop him.
We're too late, Bill. He's already done it.
Paint me pink, Corky. The balloon's being blown away.
And Timmy's being blown away too.
Oh, my poor Timmy. Somebody help him. Bill, Corky, do something.
Don't panic, Mrs. Whistlehead. We'll save Timmy. This calls for plane power.
Please bring Timmy back safely, Bill and Corky.
You can rely on us, Mrs. Whistlehead.
We'll have Timmy back on the ground in no time.
Good luck.
Look, there goes Bill and Corky.
Wow! I didn't know they were part of the air show!
There's the balloon, Bill.
We need to get closer, Corky.
Hold on, Timmy. We're here to rescue you.
See if you can grab the rope, Corky.
Nearly, Bill. Try and keep it steady.
It's the wind. It keeps blowing us off course.
It's no good, Bill. I can't reach it.
Here, Corky, you take the controls.
What are you going to do?
I've got an idea.
Look, the air show's starting.
Isn't it exciting? Someone's doing a wing walk!
I hope he's careful.
That stuntman looks familiar. I'm sure I know him.
It's Bill. He's rescuing Timmy.
What a hero!
Be careful, Bill.
Hold on tight, Bill.
I can't, Corky. My feet are slipping.
Here, put some of my candy floss on the bottom of your shoes.
Great idea, Corky. Now I'll be able to grab the rope.
The balloon's getting away, Bill.
We'll have to use more power, Corky.
More power it is.
We're upside down, Corky.
I know, Bill.
This is the best air show I've ever seen.
Trust Bill and Corky, they always put on a good show.
This loop-de-looping is making me dizzy, Corky.
Me too.
Are we close to the balloon yet?
Just about there, Bill.
I can see the rope, Corky.
Try and grab it, Bill.
I've got it.
Well done. Now swing up onto the balloon.
I can't, Corky. My feet are stuck.
Don't worry, Bill. I'll get you unstuck.
How will you do that?
I'll fly up over the balloon.
Will that work?
Just keep a tight hold of the rope, Bill.
It's working, Corky.
Just a little further, Bill.
You made it, Bill. Hurrah for Bill and Corky.
Hello, Timmy. I'm glad to see you too. Uh-oh. I don't like the look of this, Timmy. We're getting closer to the sun.
The balloon's going higher, Bill. You need to let some air out.
How do I do that, Corky?
Open the air valve.
Got it.
Make sure you open it very slowly.
Paint me pink, Timmy. How do we get out of this?
Can you hear me, Bill?
We're in big trouble, Corky.
Jump, Bill.
Jump?
Use the parachute in the basket.
It's now or never, Timmy.
Pull the parachute parachute cord, Bill!
I can't! I'll drop Timmy!
It's the world record parachute jump.
And Bill's going to do it!
With my Timmy.
They're coming down very fast.
Why doesn't Bill open his parachute?
I hope we have a soft landing, Timmy. Good boy, Timmy.
I've never seen anything like it.
How amazing!
I knew Bill could do it!
Bill, Corky, you rescued Timmy. And my hat.
It was nothing, Mrs. Whistlehead.
We were glad to help.
And you helped too, Timmy.
How can I ever thank you both?
A slice of one of your cakes would do just fine, Mrs. Whistlehead.
And some homemade lemonade.
I'll get it right away.
Doesn't this look delicious?
It sure does.
But you know what? We never did get to see the real air show, Corky.
And do you know why, Bill?
Tell me.
Because we were the air show.
When you're right, Corky, you're right.
Bottle Top Bill and his best friend Corky. See you again. Goodbye.